Hello and welcome everybody in our Kalina cooperage. We produce nice Hungarian quality oak barrels. I would like to show you how to initiate a new Kalina oak barrel according to our recommendations. Today we will initiate 2 barrels. Please keep in mind that this initiation must be done 48 hours before use. As a first step, remove the packaging from the barrel and remove the bung. On the video, this is a 225 liter Bordeaux type. And of course, this is a Kalina barrel. Let's find the place where can safely stand for 2 days our barrels. A special barrel washing cradle can be used for this, or a simple pallet will also do. Secure the barrel with wedge. If it's possible, please support the barrel with water from outside, sprinkle a little bit. You can skip this step, but we recommend it because we are working with an extremely dry oak material. Then fill the barrel completely. You can use spring water, well water, rainwater. Of course, the natural water is the best, and under no circumstances should the water be chlorinated. In the background, I'm talking about how divine the scent of the initiated barrel is. When the barrel is full to the brim, just drop the plug in. You don't have to hammer it with the force because it can swell up so much that you cannot take it out afterwards. Yes, just release the plug. Yes, so easily. After a while, let's check how the barrel behaves. As the opportunity arises, 1 hour or 20 minutes, it depending on how many time we have. Please check it. If it drops, leaks or flows a little, please don't worry, just wait. We work so dry oak material and the joints are also very special. It should swell over time. This is a second check after 2 hours. We look around, we see how nice it is. If it has flowed out of the barrel and we feel that there is less water in it, then pour water in it. From time to time we look around the barrel and inspect it. This is a beautiful barrel, not a single stain, flow or soak anywhere. I examine both barrels. Let it soak for 2 days, the barrels like that. Please follow this step strictly. If doesn't stop leaking after 48 hours, then please write us, call us, or say for the sales representative. In this case, let us know. I check how much water receipts. Not much. I thought it will drink much more water. Okay, well done. We finished. As the last step of initiation, drain the water and let it dry. After emptying the barrel, let it dry a bit. And as the following steps, use the barrel immediately, whatever you bought the barrel for. Fill up with your best and nicest quality wine you have, or the most powerful whiskey. And I appreciate all of you who honored us to buy our barrels. I'm very grateful to all our customers who have purchased oak barrel from us so far. These 2 barrels here are ready to go, so bye for now. Please check out our website hungarianbarrels.com.